So guys, may nababait naman tayo sa skate space. At kung makikita nyo naman, tayo lang mag-isa ngayon kasi wala na po yung mga kaibigan ko. Umuwi na po sila sa mga bahay nila. At kung makikita nyo nga, tawanan po kami ng tawanan. Siguradong marami natawa dun sa upload namin. Oh, yan na. Ay! Loh. Hey. Ay, mali. Ay, yun. Guys, ako dito ako. Go to this part. Ano to? This is a button that players are play of the last 10 seconds.
Because we look everywhere twice.
Skate space.
No way! Everyone's here!
Ay! Baltig ako. Ay! Dalawa kami. Sinat yung isang ko.
Everywhere! Alex and Fede only had 5 minutes left, so they had to be quick if they were going to find me. Let's go. Hello? Oh yeah. How much time do we have left? I don't know. I lost track. Okay. You know what? He can check by himself.
Huwag tayo dadaanan. Gunggong pala pangalan ko. Wala na par. Loko, walang doon, no? Punta na ako sa nilipod.
Also been searching for me this entire time. So Alex realized he could use that to his advantage.
G+1 Coffee Mix with Korean.
Skate spacey. Nalaglag pa nga ngani. Ay.
There's a dog. We lost him. We lost him. What are you doing here? You almost gave us far.
Oh.
Stop. They're gonna hear us. Alice, they're gonna hear us. Spider-Man. No way.
Ay. Gunggong. Ay.
Congratulations, Fede. What? You are now a blonde man. Really? It's been an hour and 2 minutes. No. Do you think I didn't realize you guys showed up 2 minutes early? Looks like we're gonna be back 2 minutes early. We're gonna surprise them. Is there anything I can do for you not to shave Fede's head? Please, I love my hair. Dye your hair. Any color Fede wants. Red. No. 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 We may have less today, but I want a new friend. Really?
Ay! Sumama pa talaga, ha ha ha. Ito lang yun.
It's time to dye Alex's hair.
Gusto niyo tulungan ko yung mga tricks dito. Tara, tulungan ko kayo. Dito, kapag nandito ka na, kumanong ka lang. Tapos yun.
It's a $100 million house.
Dito.
Before we find out who owns it,
Nakita niyo na kaganina kung paano
so you
makita.
can see
Pero
exactly
ito
what
parang
life
ganito
is
lang.
like for your favorite YouTubers, and so that we can find out which YouTuber
Dun
has
pa
the
lang,
best
diba?
house. Starting
Dun pa
with
lang. Pero
Cat's
kapag
house.
ganun kayo.
You know, we've actually never been to Cat's house before. It's okay. It was like Barbie pizza
Ganito lang yun. Ay! Ganito lang yun, oh.
Cats? Wait, this is actually your home?
Tapos, ikot ka dyan. Tapos,
Everything is so pink and big.
Well, yeah, I need it to be big for my kids.
oh,
You have
oh.
kids?
Yeah, I'll introduce you to them later.
And that's just one of the many surprises Cat had in store for us.
Ay, ako naman kasi.
Of course I do. Where do you get all this girl power?
We need girl power.
See?
Wait, this is what they need to work out. Wait, you know how to play the piano?
Yeah, I've been practicing.
Ah, di gumagana.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
I'll show you to your favorite part of the house.
Wow, where's that?
The kitchen!
The kitchen's my favorite
Ano ba yan kasi?
Some boys in hospitality. At the end of each tour, we'll be
Para
giving
di
each
nakapusin.
YouTuber's house a
Mimi,
rating
Mimi.
out of 5 stars based on how
Kung
good the house
kung
looks,
napanood
and
yung
the
kahapon,
experiences, and
si
the hospitality
Blackfoot,
of the
tsaka
host.
si,
Wait, this
tsaka si Stila Brainer, tsaka si Goku Cardi naglaban-laban sa update. Ay, nag-Saturday pala.
My pineapple.
Kaya dito muna po nagtatapos yung video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye!